Our next song is a parody of I'll Be Home for Christmas, but instead it was I'll Be Home for the Playoffs, which we sang on ABC for the Bears pregame special. And the lyrics are actually written by my dad. So that's great. Enjoy.